Have you ever wondered what powered the world before the age of electricity and diesel? It's a question that often stumbles across the minds of many, especially those with an innate curiosity about the evolution of technology and the roots of our modern civilization. Pondering over this question, the answer lies not in the megawatts of electricity or the gallons of diesel that fuel our present-day machinery, but rather in a different kind of powerhouse. This source of power, although considered archaic in the contemporary world, was once at the heart of an industrial revolution that changed the way we lived and traveled. This power was embodied in the steam locomotive, an incredible feat of engineering that not only revolutionized transportation, but also set the stage for the development of modern railways. The saga The Steam Locomotive is a thrilling narrative that takes us back to the dawn of the 19th century. This was a time when the world was on the cusp of monumental change, where innovation was rapidly redefining the boundaries of what was possible. The of our story, an English engineer named George Stephenson, found himself at the center of this whirlwind of change. Often credited with the invention of the first practical steam locomotive in 1825, Stephenson's contributions to the field of engineering were nothing short of revolutionary. His creation, simply known as the Locomotion No. 1, was a testament to human innovation and a symbol of the indomitable human spirit. The concept behind the steam locomotive ingeniously simple, yet it was a radical departure from the conventional modes of transportation of the time. The Locomotion No. 1 harnessed the power of steam, converting it into energy to haul heavy loads across vast distances. This marked a significant leap forward in transportation technology, laying the foundation for the network of railways that crisscross our world today. This locomotive was not just an engineering marvel. It was a symbol of human ingenuity, harnessing the power of steam to move heavy loads over long distances. Fast forward to the early 20th century and we find ourselves in the era of the 4014 UP Big Boy, a formidable titan among steam locomotives. Born out of the combination of American innovation and the progress of the industrial era, this steel giant was the result of years of labor and engineering prowess. The American Locomotive Company, a name synonymous with quality and resilience, was the creator of this mechanical beast in the year 1941. The Big Boy, a name that echoed its immense size potency, was not a product of chance. It was a design response to the demanding topography the Union Pacific Railroad traversed. The Union Pacific, a name etched in the annals of American history, had a reputation for conquering steep gradients, something the Big Boy was designed to master. With a length surpassing 130 feet, the Big Boy dwarfed its counterparts, standing as a testament to the grandeur of human imagination and scientific advancement. Its sheer size was a sight to behold, with onlookers often left in awe of this masterpiece of machinery. But it wasn't just its length that left people astounded. Its weight, over 1,000,000 pounds, was another testament to its intimidating presence. This steam locomotive was not just another train, it was a symbol of human endeavor, an embodiment of the American spirit of perseverance and daring. Each time its wheels turned, it was a testament to the progress of the human spirit, pushing boundaries and challenging the norms of what was possible. Yet even the strongest fortresses have their weak points. In the mid-20th century, the Big Boy faced derailment, a situation that left many in shock. The incident was not just a blow to the Union Pacific, but it also left a mark on the American psyche, a telltale sign that even the mighty could fall. However, the story of the Big Boy was far from over. The derailment, while a setback, did not spell the end for this steam giant. Instead, it set the stage for what was to be a remarkable comeback. It was a story of resilience, a tale that mirrored the very essence of what the Big Boy represented, the spirit of overcoming the odds. This incident wasn't just a derailment, it was the prologue to a comeback story that would stun the world. The Big Boy was down, but it was far from out. Instead of marking the end of the Big Boy, it set the stage for a remarkable comeback. The restoration of the 4014 UP Big Boy was a testament to the enduring appeal of steam locomotives. This remarkable undertaking was a labor of love, devotion, and respect for an era of engineering excellence that must not be forgotten. Over countless days and nights, a team of devoted engineers and enthusiasts worked painstakingly, poring over every inch of the colossal iron beast to ensure its restoration was nothing short of perfection. The big boy was not just a steam locomotive, it was the epitome of human ingenuity and technological advancement in its time. A symbol of power, a testament to the industrious spirit of the age, this mechanical titan was more than just a machine. It was a piece of history that deserved to be lovingly restored and preserved. The restoration process was not a mere refurbishment, it was a resurrection, a bringing back to life of a mechanical marvel that once roamed the iron rails with a majestic presence that was impossible to ignore. Every nut, bolt, and plate was carefully examined, cleaned, replaced, or repaired as necessary with an astonishing attention to detail and an unrelenting dedication to authenticity. Every part of the big boy held a story, etched in metal and time, waiting to be rediscovered and retold. From the heart of its mighty boiler to the tips of its enormous wheels, the team treated each component as a precious piece of the puzzle that, when put together, would recreate the splendor of this majestic marvel of engineering. The journey to restoration was long and arduous, filled with challenges and obstacles, but the team faced each one with unwavering resolve, driven by their shared passion for preserving a piece of railroad history. They toiled under the harsh sun and the piercing cold, their hands blackened by soot and oil, but their spirits never dimmed. As the years passed, the big boy's glory began to shine once more, each restored part a testament to the dedication, skill, and perseverance of the team. The process was one of meticulous attention to detail and a deep respect for the historical significance of this mechanical giant. Shift the spotlight to the Southern Pacific 4999, more commonly known as the Daylight. This steam locomotive was more than just a mode of transportation, it was a moving masterpiece, a testament to the ingenuity, innovation, and aesthetics of its era. Let's delve deeper into the uniqueness of the Daylight. The color scheme of red, orange, and black it donned was not chosen arbitrarily. These were colors of the setting sun, which the train seemed to chase. It traversed the vast landscapes of the western United States. The vibrant colors were not only a striking sight against the backdrop of the expansive plains and towering mountain ranges, but they also symbolized the energy, the drive, and the sheer dynamism that the Daylight embodied. The locomotive, a marvel of engineering, its sleek design was not just for visual appeal, but it also served a functional purpose. The streamlined shape reduced air resistance, allowing the train to reach impressive speeds, leaving onlookers in awe as it streaked across the landscape. It was a tangible manifestation of humanity's relentless pursuit of speed and efficiency. The Daylight's charm, however, extended beyond its sleek design and impressive speed. It was known as much for its elegance as it was for its power. The interiors were tastefully done. The plush seats, the polished wooden panels, the Art Deco lighting fixtures all reflected the zeitgeist of the era, a blend of comfort and luxury. It was a train designed for those who valued the journey as much as destination. More than just a train, the Daylight was a symbol of an era when travel was an experience, not just a means to an end. It transported passengers not just from one place to another, but to a different time, a time when elegance and power were not mutually exclusive but beautifully intertwined. Its reputation and legacy were not confined to the borders of the United States. Its striking aesthetic and unbeatable performance resonated with people across the globe, earning it the endearing title of the most beautiful train in the world. In summary, the journey of the steam locomotive from its inception to the grandeur of the 4014 UP Big Boy and the elegance of the SP 4999 Daylight is a testament to human ingenuity and our continual strive for progress. These machines may no longer dominate the railways, but their legacy continues to inspire and captivate. So the next time you hear the distant whistle of a train, remember the steam locomotives, the giants that once roamed the rails. Thank you for joining us on this majestic journey through the history of steam locomotives. We've traveled from the birth of the steam engine, through the era of the 4014 UP Big Boy, the restoration of this magnificent machine, and the elegance of the Southern Pacific 4999 Daylight. We hope you enjoyed this trip as much as we did creating it. The legacy of these giants that once roamed the rails continues to inspire and captivate us all. Until our next adventure, keep exploring and remember, every distant train whistle carries with it the echoes of our past.